This is a quick review of our room in the Mandarin Oriental in Doha, Qatar. This is room 427. Here's the key. Pop it on. There you go. It's a wood key. Alright. So walking in, you have some closet space. I don't know what that long thing is, but you got your slippers, some bags. Oh, yoga mat. Okay. I never used that, so I don't know what that is. So you have some brush for, I guess, your shoes and things like that. A safe. Wow, very nice. A big safe. Drawers with some hair dryer, hair straightener in there. Extra storage spaces, soft clothes, very nice. And the last one, you have a large umbrella with an ironing board and what looks like an iron up there, I believe. Okay, and shoe rack here, leather hanger for umbrellas. Okay. I don't know if those can be open, but who cares? So right here to the right, you have a huge bathroom with a beautiful bath tub here in the middle. Light with very nice tile work there. Window. And two beautiful hanging mirrors for his and hers. There you go. Makeup mirror. Towel on the bottom. Let's take a look at some of the stuff here. We have soap, body lotion, cup for toothbrush, things like that. Same thing on this side. And we have some products here: shampoo, conditioner, and shampoo. Of course, your soap. Very nice Mandarin branded towels here. You have two robes, one for men, one for women, and a very nice shower. Rain shower, of course. A huge marble room for it. Beautiful, lovely. That's that. And on the left side, I believe we have a toilet. Yes, we do. We have a toilet here. That's a wash basin. Very nice. Okay, frosted glass here. And looking out from the bathroom is this marble archway, entryway with a sliding wooden door. Very nice. Here's how the sink looks from this angle. Nice. Very nice lighted mirror with wall sconces. All right, and we have storage on this side as well. We have a shoe shine kit down there, some storage, shoe storage as well, clothes hanger if you want to put them on this side. Have a nice I don't know what these things are called, but extra storage on this side. This room is huge. Oh, okay. You have a coffee bar right here with complementary waters, bottle opener, full set of cups, glasses, and ice carrier, snacks, other stuff down there. And this should be the fridge. Yes, it is. Very nice. You got beer, you got a couple things in there. Okay, that's that. Oh, this is a very nice use of space here with this setup. Okay, and on the right side we have luggage space, storage space for your clothing on top, your various pieces of luggage, some drawers on the bottom as well for socks and shoes. Okay. All right, here we have the AC controls. All right, you can switch between centigrade and Fahrenheit. Gonna set it to 68. There you go. You have lighting for the dressing and the bedroom. Okay. Dressing room right here. Okay. And here's the look at the bedroom. You have some very nice lounge chair here with a beautiful lamp and a work desk-ish. This is very interesting work desk setup, but it's unique for the Mandarin Oriental. Beautiful fan, various literatures, phone, of course a desk lamp. You have a Bluetooth speaker here, very nice, matches the decor. A console for various lights. You have your reading lights here. Okay. Nice king bed with a backlighted backsplash that goes all the way to the ceiling. Look at that. Beautiful. And of course, full panes of glass for your window. That's actually a door that can open if you want. And you have a flat screen TV on this side. All right. And so yeah, that's a quick view or review of this room. Just to give you an idea of what a room at the the Mandarin Oriental hotel in Doha, Qatar looks like. It's very spacious, very comfortable, right in downtown Doha, Qatar. It's called the Mshereib area. Thank you for watching.